Hello and welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a dry brush false bronze finish. A lot of my resin pieces have this nice colorful false bronze finish that I end up with. I like to start with something perfectly black, so I use resin tint to get a nice black color to pieces. Then I have this old favorite brush. It needs to be a fairly broad brush, and it will get worn down. You can see how this one is worn from use. It's nice and fuzzy. And then I pick up these metallic paints. They're just from different places. Here's one from Faux. Here's something called metallic craft paint. I need this all-purpose metallic craft paint. It's a nice color for bronze. It's one of my favorite bronze colors. This Faux is a nice coppery color. I will use blue at times. This is a nice metallic blue with nice speckle flakes in it. I will also use green, nice emerald green, elegant finish, crystal green. This one's metallics, dazzling metallics, elegant finish. All these colors go into the mix. But the very first one I start with usually is blue, or it depends on I want the dominant color to be green. But blue is mostly my favorite. There's just a small amount of blue that I use. I just put a few little drops in. Don't want to use very much. That's probably enough for a piece this size. And I will take the brush and just smear the paint very lightly into the paint itself, the brush into the paint, just very lightly, not very heavy. And it should just be enough to give a slight color. And then the technique is to just kind of very quickly just hit the scales or anything that's standing up above the surface, and just bring that until I get the color I want. Usually it has a faint glow to it of the color. It's not completely covered up by any means. I want the black to still be remaining there, to be the crevice color. So after I get the blue on, then I will go to usually a nice coppery color like this. You can see that. There's the same color on the sides here. And it's the same thing, very much of a dry brush technique, very little paint on the brush itself, and then it's just all over the piece very lightly, and just color it just enough to give the highlights, the portions sticking up, a nice little tint of color. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this into a time-lapse rendition of it, and you'll see the whole process as it happens. here's my finished piece. And we're going to try to get in close there. You see the blues, the copper color, the lighter bronze color, all kind of mingled together. And this is done with the dry brush technique. This is my finished product. Well, thanks for viewing today, and hope you learned something, and we will see you in the next video.